Welcome to my channel Future Technos. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone featuring a triple camera system with Hasselblad and telephoto lenses, offering a wide range of focal lengths and impressive zoom capabilities. It boasts up to 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced intelligent flight modes. The drone utilizes O3+ transmission for a 9.3-mile range and supports various color modes for post-processing. This video shows the camera system and highlights key differences between the Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 4 Pro. 52s. Tony and Chelsea Northrup, YouTube, the 7th of May 2025. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Camera system. Main camera. 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad, 20MP, 24mm equivalent, f2.8 f11 aperture. Medium telephoto. 1/1.3-inch CMOS, 70mm equivalent, 48 megapixels, 3x optical zoom, f2.8 aperture. Telephoto. 1/2-inch CMOS, 166mm equivalent, 12 megapixels, 7x optical zoom and 28x hybrid zoom, f3.4 aperture. Video. All three cameras support 4K, 60 fps video recording. The Cine version also supports Apple ProRes codecs. Color modes. Supports Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, D-Log, D-Log-M, and HLG for flexible color grading. Flight performance. Maximum flight time, 43 minutes. Max ascent speed, 8 meters per second. Max descent speed, 6 meters per second. Max horizontal speed, 21 meters per second. Obstacle avoidance, omnidirectional with APAS 5.0. Transmission, O3+ with a 9.3-mile range. Other notable features. Intelligent flight modes. Includes features like master shots, active track, and focus track. Remote controller. Comes with DJI RC remote controller. Foldable design. Compact and portable design for easy transport. This video compares the Mavic 3 Pro with other DJI models, highlighting flight performance and camera specs.